My main concern, of course, is just making sure that it looks as natural as possible. Like, I don't know how much is too much, and it is my first time. So I don't want people to look at me the first time after yesterday and say, whoa, what happened there? You know, I'd rather, we all go for that. You look fantastic. What did you do? You did something, but you look great. Thank you. That's what you want, right? So this is Donna. She's amazing. She is about as gentle with a needle as you can get. And she's explaining it. She's sort of narrating and explaining everything with each little step. So there are no surprises. And I feel confident that I'm in good hands. And she obviously knows what she's talking about. Comes with a lot of experience and just seemed to be able to anticipate all of my concerns. And that's great. Makes me feel good and secure about what we're doing here today. What I love about Advanced Cosmetic is that the left hand always seems to know what the right hand is doing. Everybody is just super well connected and clued in on what's going on because it really is a team effort, right? You know, when you have one person and you're trying to, you know, address all their needs and concerns, there's got to be some simpatico, not just between the doctor and the patient, but between the doctors and the nurses and the nurse practitioners and everyone involved. That's important. So I think, if I understand this correctly, so we got some filler up here in this area, right?
Yeah.
And
we put a little in the temples, kind of smooth out the hollowness here. We put a little bit to blend this zygomatic, the cheekbone, and then we did a little bit to the nasolabial, kind of just fanning it to make it really soft through here. I always say less is more, so we can always add more as we need to. I like to let it settle, see what happens, and then go back in and perfect it.